Today I want to talk about Postiz. It's a social media scheduler that claims it'll run your entire social media with AI agents. Now, I have over 600,000 followers on TikTok, so when I saw this, I was immediately interested. Now I've spent the last few days testing it, so today I'm going to walk you through exactly what it does and tell you if I think it lives up to the hype. So the first thing you need to know is that Postiz is actually completely open source. So that means you can come to this public GitHub repo here and actually download all the code yourself and self-host it. But for most people, I would not recommend that. I would just go with their free trial. That's what I use. And to do that, you just go to this top right button here, start for $0. So now that we're all logged in, the first thing we can see is the calendar. So this looks like a typical social media scheduler. It's kind of like your dashboard where you see all your posts right here. And if we go to the left here, we can see channels. So we'll click add channel. And you can see this supports a ton of different social media channels. So we have the obvious ones like Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Instagram, but then it also has some pretty niche ones as well. So I'm going to add Twitter, and I'm also going to add Instagram. So now that we have those connected, we're going to go to the left here and click create post. And I'm going to say, hello, this is my post. Now, what we can do is click on our Instagram and click on our Twitter. I'm going to click on Instagram, and it says, click this button to exit global editing and customize the post for this channel. So instead of posting the exact same thing on Instagram and Twitter, I can customize this for Instagram. And I'm given a few options. So I could insert media. So this would be just uploading from my computer. I can also come here, which is interesting. So it gives me almost like a little Canva Photoshop type thing. So I could drag on this picture of a horse, and then I could draw a smiley face if I wanted to. So that's kind of interesting. They have like a built-in photo editor. I can also have it generate an image for me. So if I hover over this button, let's say I want to do a watercolor, we can see it's generating an image now. And this is what it made us. So, I mean, given this very vague prompt, that was a pretty good output. You can also have it generate videos for you. So you can use VO3 or do image text slides. And then there's add signature, underline, bold, or add an emoji. And the cool thing is now if we go to Twitter, we can actually edit it completely differently. So let's say we wanted to add, this is going on Twitter. And now we can click add to calendar. And now we see these in our calendar view. So I can actually just go ahead and drag these. And I like how you can just move these around as much as you want. And we can filter by month, week, or day. And in the top left here, if we click agent, it says, hello, I'm your Postiz agent. I can schedule a post or multiple posts to multiple channels and generate pictures and videos. So this is Postiz version of a chat experience. We also have the analytics tab. So this is where all your social media analytics are. Then we have the media tab, and this is just an easy view of all of the media you've created. And we can also go to settings, then go to developers, and it actually has an API key and a command line interface. So you can connect these with Claude or Codex and use them straight from there. So that is a quick rundown of Postiz. Let me know if you've used it before and what did you think? This is the AI Marketing Manual. I'll see you next time.